welcome to Kay's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to show you how to do a really super easy potato dish. How good's that? And it's all done in the microwave. It's just one of those set and forget kind of potato dishes. Let me show you how to do it. So, I've already chopped up most of a kilo of white potatoes, but really what you want to do is just cut it, and depending on the size, like these are quite small, so I could get 3 little ones out of that. So that's what we're kind of aiming for. And this dish probably isn't the healthiest dish because we're adding some cream and butter. But how good's cream and butter? So, given that this is again around the 1 kilo, we will need about 50 grams of butter. You can cut that down and trim it to sort of what you feel like. We just sort of drop it over the top. Then we grab some cream. Then just a little bit of salt and some pepper. The first round of this cooking will be for about 10 minutes, and even if you do a smaller batch, it's still around the 8 to 10 minutes where you can check on it. So now that's all added, all we need to do is pop it into the microwave. And we'll set that for around 10 minutes and check on it then. Excellent, so this is the first 10 minutes. Come on, look at this. Come closer. And then, so that still has another 10 minutes, but we just give it a nice big stir. Give it a little round. And then come up. And then we pop that in probably for another 10 minutes. So that's done now. We ended up putting another 8 minutes, so 28 minutes in total, but please keep in mind that that is a kilo worth of potatoes. So if you're going to do this with maybe 2 or 4 potatoes, cut that to about 8 to 15 minutes. It really is quite quick. But come and have a look at this. So once we stir it around, look at the cheesy looking sauce that comes with it, and to add no cheese, but it just tastes really cheesy. And you can add anything you want. If you want to add some bacon to this, add some bacon, add some shallots. Take a look